What if one day a stranger walked into your studio and quietly changed everything you thought you knew about your own craft? Not loudly, not dramatically, just with a presence that feels like a distant memory, something between a dream and a tide that once touched your feet. If you're ready for a story, settle in. This one carries the warmth of summer, the softness of viscose threads, and just a hint of sea magic. There is an old belief. During the warmest days of early summer, when the water is no longer cold and the fields begin to breathe with life, mermaids come ashore. They rise from the quiet depths, where time moves differently, where silence feels like home. They walk barefoot on soft grass, leaving no trace, only a subtle change in the world around them. And one day, someone like that walked into our studio. I still don't know who she truly was, but when she entered, the air shifted. Not sharply, not obviously, just enough to make you pause. There was a softness to her presence, like fabric moving in slow motion. Her voice was calm, her movements fluid, as if every gesture followed an invisible rhythm, as the kind you don't question, only feel. She spoke about the ocean as if it wasn't a destination, but a memory. Her request was simple, or at least it sounded simple at first. She wanted a set, 3 looks for time, by the water, each one carrying a different mood of the sea. Sunset coral, quiet turquoise, and a soft gradient where colors melt into each other like sky meeting horizon. But then came the details, delicate chains in the front, fine elements moving with the body, small textures that catch the light, shells, beads, something almost alive in motion. She wasn't describing just clothing, she was describing a feeling, and in that moment, I hesitated because this wasn't my usual direction. My patterns, my familiar fabric pattern structures, my trusted rhythm of stitches, they lived somewhere else, in a different aesthetic, a different story, but something in her voice made it impossible to say no. Maybe you know that feeling, when your hands know the technique, the chain loops, the balance of single crochet and double crochet, the way a crochet hook moves almost without thinking. You understand how a motif is built, how a diagram turns into form, how a pattern becomes fabric. But the vision belongs to someone else. And that's where growth begins. So I said yes, not because I was certain, but because I was curious. We started with sketches, slow conversations, adjustments, small steps forward. The process felt different, less like control, more like listening. Each element required attention. Each stitch became a response, not just a repetition. The viscose yarn we chose had a quiet glow, fluid, soft, almost like water itself. It didn't behave like cotton, it moved, it lived, and slowly something new began to take shape. The first piece carried the warmth of a sunset, rich, glowing, full of depths. The second was calm and transparent, like still water where you can see every detail beneath the surface. The third was something else entirely. A transition, a moment caught between two states, and then came the details she cared about most. Fine hanging elements, light chains built from precise stitches, each one slightly different in length, in rhythm, in texture. They moved with the body, catching air, light, attention. It wasn't just a design anymore, it was a story in motion. The photoshoot felt like stepping into another world. Deep, layered tones in the background, a sense of depths, almost like looking through water. And in that space, the pieces came alive. Every stitch, every small structure, every line created by the crochet hook became visible in a new way. The movement of the fabric, the way light touched the surface, the quiet elegance of handmade detail. It was no longer just crochet, it was presence. Weeks later, a message arrived. She wrote about the ocean, about people turning to look, about the feeling of being seen, not just noticed, but truly seen. She described moments where she felt different, lighter, more confident, almost like she had stepped into a version of herself she had always imagined. And that's when it became clear. We didn't just create garments, we helped create a memory. And maybe that's the real essence of crochet, not just the technique, not just the pattern, the stitches, the structure of a well-built fitted silhouette, but the ability to transform something intangible into something you can wear, a feeling, a dream, a quiet wish made real through your hands. If I had said no that day, none of this would exist. No new direction, no growth, no story. And that's why this design didn't stay a one-time creation. It became something more, a tutorial, a pattern, a way for others to step into the same process, use it to explore, to experiment, to create something they've never made before. Because sometimes the most beautiful things don't come from within your comfort zone, they arrive from somewhere unexpected, like a soft voice at the door. And now I wonder, have you ever created something that felt just a little beyond who you thought you were? And if you did it change the way you see yourself, even just a little? Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Your comments and likes help our channel grow and reach more creative hearts. Before anything else, we want to say thank you, truly, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you to every single Patreon member who supports JThouse. Your support is not just a subscription, it's trust. It's belief in our vision. It's the reason we can continue creating couture designs, developing new courses, and hosting live workshops every single month. Because of you, our live online crochet school keeps growing. Because of you, we can experiment, design bold new pieces, and share every step of the journey, from the first sketch to the final stitch. You are not just supporters, you are part of our creative family. And we are so grateful to create this magic together with you. If you'd like to join our Patreon community, the link is in the description. We'd love to welcome you. Take a look at these incredible results. These are just a few of the breathtaking dresses our students have created using our detailed crochet courses. From beginners who started with simple doilies to advanced crafters, they've all achieved something extraordinary. And guess what? You can too. Meet Anna, one of our students from Poland. At a beautiful stage in life, she made her first crochet dress. And it turned out absolutely stunning. Now she's hooked and creating new dresses every season. If she can do it, so can you. Maybe you've always dreamed of making your own dress, but thought it was too hard or too complicated. Let me tell you something. We're here to change that. With our years of experience, detailed courses, and the best materials in the world, we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to turn that dream into reality. Creating something as grand as a crochet dress isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. When you finish a big project like this, you'll feel a deep sense of pride and respect for yourself. And trust me, that feeling is priceless. Imagine this. While everyone else is posting pictures of their doilies online, you'll be sharing photos of your handmade masterpiece. A dress that's uniquely yours. Let's be honest, they'll be green with envy. But more importantly, you'll have proven to yourself that you're capable of creating something truly extraordinary. And it doesn't stop there. Your family, friends, and even strangers will admire your work. Who knows? You might even start getting requests to make dresses for others. That's the power of mastering this craft. It changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now, let's talk about style. When you have the skills to create your own dresses, you're no longer limited by what's in stores. You can design something that's 100% you. Choose the colors, the textures, the patterns, everything that reflects your personality and taste. That's true freedom. Handmade dresses aren't just clothing, they're a statement, they're a way to stand out, to show the world who you are. And the best part? You made it yourself, let's be real. Handmade crochet dresses can cost a fortune if you buy them. But when you make them yourself, you're not just saving money. You're creating something priceless, something that will turn heads and earn you respect. Not just from others, but from yourself. And once you've made one dress, why stop there? You can develop your own unique style, something that people will recognize and admire. Imagine being known as the woman who creates stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. That's the kind of legacy you can build with crochet. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of creating something extraordinary, now's the time. With our courses, our support, and the best materials in the world, you can make it happen. Click the link in the description to explore our courses and start your journey today. Your dream project is just a few stitches away. Let's create something extraordinary together.